Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesdays once again. We're back on the wok, and guess what? We've hit over 10,000 subscribers. Woohoo! We are very excited about that. This week we're doing kimchi fried rice, Korean style. I've got some chopped garlic and ginger here. First off, finely chop your Chinese chive. Your kimchi is essentially a fermented chili garlic cabbage. It's a Chinese leaf, fermented over months and months, and it just gets stronger and stronger in flavour. It will add a load of power to the dish. I'm going to finely slice this to go with your rice. And look at that colour. Bright red. You know it's going to be red hot. Full of flavour. So I just set up my wok clock, starting at 12 o'clock with my first ingredients, my garlic and ginger. I've got my Chinese chives, finely chopped. Then I'll go into the rice, and the rice here has already been cooked. So that's a boiled or steamed rice. So we've got your kimchi, finely chopped, and then some peas to go onto your wok clock last. And then all we're going to do is season that up with some salt, sugar, and sesame oil. Finish off with a fried egg on top. Ooh yeah. So wok cooking, this is where it all starts. Fried rice. And it doesn't matter whether you're Chinese, Korean, Japanese, the technique of cooking with a wok is just the same. High heat, make sure your oil is smoking hot before you start anything. So a little bit of oil, spread that round the wok. Your ginger and garlic are going to go in first. Just keep folding that round nicely. You can smell that crisping up. Your Chinese chive, also used a lot in Korean cooking. Just add a little bit of colour. Now your rice is going to go in pretty much straight away with a little drizzle of oil around the edge. Just break that rice into there. That cooked and cooled rice should separate out into the wok much nicer. You can see that great colour from the Chinese chive. And my grains of rice separating out nicely. Just keep moving that rice around. I haven't added too much grease to this wok at all. It's more about understanding the heat, moving that wok's air. What we call wok hei in Chinese. Don't ask me how to say it in Korean. At this point, we can start to add your true flavour, which is that lovely fermented cabbage, that kimchi. This will change the colour of the rice quite quickly. Stir frying requires constant movement. See this wok technique here? I've got my flat spatula, but I'm moving the wok round whilst bringing my spatula into the rice. Your peas, Keep that moving round. Keep that going. A little bit of seasoning. So your salt and sugar. Sugar to just balance out the kimchi. A little pinch of salt. And a little drizzle of sesame oil. Try to keep the rice in your wok if you can, not like me. That is pretty much there. Whoa, that is quick cooking. We're going to top this with a fried egg in a second. Just serve that up first. Right, so Chinese style fried rice, you'd have your egg at the beginning. But with Korean style, we love that sort of either fried egg or even raw egg yolk on the top of your rice dish. I'm going to fry my egg in the wok here just to finish this off. A good amount of oil. Baste that wok well. Make sure it's nice and hot first. And then just bring your heat down to medium heat. So my wok is at a good temperature, the oil's smoking hot. Carefully crack your egg into the wok. You want to see it bubbling up. I'm going to let this crisp up around the edges before I move it at all. Asian food in general is all about that textural difference. So we've got that fluffy fried rice, a nice crisp base on a fried egg, and then the yolk just to crack in once we've finished. Right, so my egg yolk is still soft, but the white's cooked with that nice crisp edge on the egg, straight over the top. Whoa. Got some toasted sesame seeds. A little bit of gochujang, Korean chili sauce. Okay, there you go. You got it. You can cut that bit. A bit of Korean chili sauce. Spring onion. Okay, moment of truth. Let that yolk do its job. Take a little bite of egg. Really simple. Wok cooking the best way. If you like this recipe and you want to learn more, follow all those 10,000 other subscribers and click that button. Click that button. What button? What button are we clicking?